Hi all co-creators, this is Lizelle speaking, and this is the 4th day of my 100-day reality challenge. You'll see that I am accompanied tonight again by my son Davides, as well as by Nicole, who's playing horse games on the computer again. Dad is watching CNN and Sky News. He is following the Gaza war every day, so I took this opportunity to quickly do my video blog of today. As for today, I don't have a lot of news for today, except for that I've got an appointment tomorrow with Davides' school director. I've got an appointment with her tomorrow morning at 10. To do a proposal, to do fundraising and marketing for the school. And as I said, one of my goals this 100 days is to start a charity and also to generate income. So hopefully this would be it. I've got a very good feeling about it. I just need to pitch it for tomorrow, and I need to stay positive and believe in myself. Also, what I'm currently busy with, seeing that Nicole is busy on the computer, where I'm finalising my marketing for the proposal for tomorrow. So I took this opportunity to, while the children is busy around me, to do a little bit of work on my vision board. I've started with cutting out clips out of, or pictures out of magazines. What I've got at the moment, I've got this brilliant picture that shows the Durham. So I need to generate this, and my intention is tomorrow to go and see the school, Davides' school director, and to really propose the fact that I'm fundraising for the school, and that I will be earning a salary or income out of that. So that is my intention for tomorrow. I'm going to declare my intention to generate cash. Other than that, going out, I like to go out more, not necessarily to nightclubs, but go out with friends, have nice dinners. I want to eat more healthy. I love seafood, and this prawn just looks divine. Also, I'd like to travel more. My intention is to travel from business. I want to eat healthier. This is fruit and cherries. There's a nice one here for my vision board. It says, never give up. You will fail only if you give up trying. So that should be my motto for this 100 days. I will fail only if I give up trying. So I'm not going to stop trying and trying and trying until I've reached my goal. I've got this spotlight on me, so I'll have the spotlight on me for this 100 days. I'll resolve to evolve. I've got loads of unfolding opportunities coming my way, and I'll have lots of style. That's also something that I want to work on for myself, is to clothing sense myself. And by doing the 100-day challenge, I'll unfold loads of treasures. Okay, so I have to apologize now for this noise here. Nicole, so basically that's it for today. I just wanted to catch in on my 4th day. I've had some positive feedback today. I went to my old company, and I met one of my friends there. She was a little bit down, but she was really interested in the reality challenge. So I gave her the website and everything, I talked her through, and she wanted to possibly join the challenge. So I'm very glad that I've influenced one person already, and it's only my 4th day. And also the other thing is that she said that I have this real positive glow about me. Everyone can see it, so I'm really glad. Okay, you know what, I'm going to cut this short because with children it's really very difficult. Yes, I've had a great day. I hope all of you others joining is having a great 4th day. and I'll catch up with you again tomorrow. So keep those good intentions coming, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.